Hello guys, today we're going to learn about Atwood machine, which is one of the difficult topics for people who are preparing for engineering like EEE, AEEE and IIT. So this is the mass 1 and this is mass 2. M1 is greater than M2 and M1G is acting downwards and the tension of it is acting upwards. And acceleration is downwards of M1G because M1 is greater than M2. Now, mass 2 has m2g of weight which is acting downwards and tension upwards, and acceleration is going upwards because this mass is coming downwards and this should go always upwards. And we are considering the pulley to be massless and frictionless. Now let's try to derive acceleration and tension. So let's try to make equations between weight and tension. M1G minus T is equal to M1A. M2, no. M2G should not be here because tension is greater than M2G. If we change, if we write M2G over here, then it should be minus M2A here over here because it won't be positive cancel out. So we have to write MT over here and M2G over here for getting M2A over here. T and T cancel. M1G minus M2G is equal to M1 plus M2 into A. Okay, and we are taking G as common. M1 minus M2 is equal to M1 plus M2 into A. And to find acceleration we have to bring this over here. So G into M1 minus M2 by M1 plus M2 is equal to A. So we have found out acceleration now. Now let's try to find tension by using these equations. Sorry guys, I have a little cold. Winter time, right? So we have found out acceleration. Doesn't matter where we find, which equation do we put acceleration in, we will get the same value of tension. M1G, let's try to put in this one, okay? This one. M1G minus T is equal to M1A. So we found out A, which is M1 minus M2 by M1 plus M2 into G, right? M1G minus T is equal to M1 minus M2 by M1 plus M2 into G into M1. We forgot this M1 over here, okay? So when we multiply M1 with this, we get M1G minus T is equal to M1 square minus M2 M1 by M1 plus M2 into G. And we are bringing this over here. And to remove the negative sign over here, we're gonna subtract M1G minus M1 square minus M2 into M1 by M1 plus M2 into G, right? T is equal to M1G minus M1 square minus M2 M1 by M1 plus M2 into G, yeah. So we got this as the equation for finding tension. Let's try to simplify it more. M1 square plus m1 m2 into g minus m1 square minus plus m2 m1 by m1 plus m2. This and this get cancelled, these both get added, so 2 m1 m2 by m1 plus m2 into g we found out as tension. So 2 m1 m2 by m1 plus m2 is equal to tension. This is a universal formula. It can be applicable to any question you are trying for. Now let's try to do some questions. So the question is 2 kgs over here and 3 kgs over here. Stop the video for 1-2 minutes and try the question. And make the notes properly so that it will be useful for you. Okay, now let me try. This is acting downwards and m1g is equal to 30 because 3 into 10 is equal to 30. m1 is equal to 3 and g is equal to 10. Tension is acting upwards, which we don't know yet, and acceleration is acting downwards because m1 is greater than m2 and 3 is greater than 2. Okay, tension is acting upwards, acceleration downwards, and 2 is acting downwards, which is 20. Now let's check are the formulas working or not. Acceleration is equal to m1 minus m2 by m1 plus m2 into g, right? A is equal to then 3 minus 2, which is 1 minus 2 by 3 plus 2, which is 5 into g. G is nothing but 10. So A is equal to 1 by 5 into 10, which is equal to 2 meters per second square. So we found out acceleration. Now let's give an attempt to try finding out tension. Tension is equal to 2 m1 m2 by m1 plus m2, right? So m1 is 3, m2 is 2. Tension is equal to 2 into 3 into 2 by 5 into g, right? So g is nothing but 10. 5 and 10 cancel, which is 2. 2 cube into 3, which is nothing but 8 into 3, which is nothing but 24 Newton. So we got 24 Newton and 2 meters per second, which is correct. And I'll give you some other questions. Please try it out. Thank you. That's all for the video. And please subscribe and share and like this video. This is my first video. Please support me.